This is the SFGP line from ATS Tactical Gear. SFGP stands for Slick Front General Purpose. You can tell from the name, slick front, no pals on the front, no organization inside these pouches. These are designed to be very lightweight, simple utility pouches. This particular one is the 5x8 SFGP. He's 5 inches wide, 8 inches tall. It's 1.5 inches deep, but you can see that the pouch will bellow quite a bit, so you can put stuff in there that's wider than 1.5 inches, but it keeps a very flat profile when attached to your gear. 5 inches wide, 8 inches tall, which equals 3 channels wide and 8 rows tall. This pouch weighs about 2 ounces. My postal scale is not terribly accurate, so that's as close as I can get. This one wouldn't even read on our scale, so that's the 5x8 SFGP. This is the 6x6 SFGP. This one weighs roughly 4 ounces. Obviously 6 inches wide, 6 inches tall. It's 6x6 by 3.5. This one's a bigger pouch. A little bit larger items and more stuff, obviously. It's 4 channels wide, 6 rows tall. This one also, like the rest of the line, does not have any internal organization, and solely to keep the weight down. That is the 6x6 SFGP. Lastly, in this line, we have the 6x8 SFGP. This is the largest of this series. 6 tall by 8 wide by 2.5 on the depth. You need a little flatter pocket, have a little wider aspect, keep your gear flatter. Is where we use this one. Like the others, an unorganized utility pouch, also 500D. This one is 6 channels wide by 6 rows tall. It weighs just a bit over 4 ounces. Like the others in the line, these use number 8 YKK zippers. Number 10s were just a little too burly, so we went to the slightly lighter zipper, again to keep the weight down. That is the SFGP pouch from ATS Tactical Gear. We make these in Coyote Brown, Ranger Green, and Multicam. Available from ATS Tactical Gear or any of our 20+ dealers.